Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube classes. Now I am starting a new chapter of your second PUC from the unit of genetics and evolution, and the chapter is evolution. From the topic of your NEET, evolution is one of the very important chapter where we can expect up to 3 questions for our competitive. Even though it is considered as a reduced syllabus, it is considered for NEET syllabus. So in this class, let us discuss what are the concepts which are involved in the chapter of evolution. Evolution, it is a story of life on the earth. Here in this chapter, we are learning how the life evolution takes place, how the evolution of life begins, and what are the evidences which are supporting the evolution, and how biological evolution took place, and the mechanism of evolution. Finally, in this chapter, we are end up with the evolution of human beings. Clear? So let me move towards the chapter evolution. Let me take up the word so that what actually that evolution is annodana one by one nodkondu hogona. So here in the word evolution, we can split up this as E and Volvera. The word evolution, it is derived from two words, where the word E refers to out, Volvera means roll, rolling out of something, which means rolling out of a new species from already existed one is called evolution. So we can consider the evolution of the blooming of a flower from a bird. How interesting, right? Here also we are studying something, the formation of living organisms which are rolling out, how the new organism is new organism formation taken place. ಆ ಒಂದು aspect ಅಲ್ಲಿ study ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Let me move towards the definition of this evolution. Evolution is a classical branch of biology where we are studying. Classical branch is nothing but it is one of the branch which usually deals with the already existed one, and different kinds of experiments they are generally taken place on the such branch. They are considered as classical branch. So evolution is also one of the classical branch of biology. So here let me move towards the definition. What is the meaning of the word evolution and what is actually definition of evolution? Evolution, it is a process of formation of new species from pre-existed one. Let me write it on. Evolution is the process of formation of new species from pre-existing one. So here you can write it as pre-existing one or already existed one. What actually evolution is? It is the process of formation of new species from pre-existing one. Clear? So when you look into the clear sky, we feel the presence of a lot of stars, right? So which is called as the origin of life. We'll deal with the origin of life. How the life origin takes place. When you look around a clear sky, in that clear sky we are looking something back in time, right? We are looking into a star which is emitting its light, and the light emission by a distant star, it is called as a stellar distance. It is measured in light year, we know that. Clear? And such emitted light, or the light started its journey over a million of years, right? Because already the star is over trillions of kilometers. ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಈವನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸನ್ನನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದು ಸಾಕು. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸನ್, he started to emit his light 8 minutes later or before 8 minutes. ಪಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಿ origin of life is considered as one of the unique event in the history of evolution, which means we are studying something which has happened already in the past. Before taking into the structure or origin of life, we need to know about origin of universe. When we study detail about origin of universe, then we'll took up this origin of earth, then we'll study the origin of life. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರ್ತ್. After that, we'll move into the origin of life. Let me take one by one. We'll deal with the origin of the universe first. By that, it is helpful for us to understand each and every aspects clearly. Origin of universe. ಹೇಗೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ದ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ಅನ್ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಫೆಮಿಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? Big Bang explosion results in the scattering of all the things in the form of a huge energy, and the energy is scattered in all over the universe over a lot of distance. And such a large and a huge explosion, it is considered as Big Bang explosion, and that explosion results in the formation of galaxies. Thousands of galaxies form as a result of this Big Bang explosion. And this explosion exploded galaxies, their number is thousands. And what actually the galaxies are made up of? Galaxies, they contains a huge cluster of clouds. Of course, we know that galaxies, they have stars, clouds, then dust particles. ಇದೆಲ್ಲದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? Which means this Big Bang explosion results in the formation of number of galaxies, and this event took place at 20 billion years ago. So our universe is a so old thing. Over 20 billion years ago, this explosion takes place. As a result, a number of galaxies are formed. And that single huge explosion, which is called unimaginable in physical terms, and after that explosion, the universe, it start to expand gradually, and that gradual expansion, because of a large high temperature, the temperature start to fall down, so that gradually ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 20 billion years, after the process of Big Bang explosion, universe start to expand. The temperature started to fall down. So that's all about the origin of universe. Then we'll move towards this origin of earth, our earth. So here our earth is also has its own history. After the formation of Big Bang explosion, number of galaxies formation ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. Among them, Milky Way is our galaxy. Important for NEET. In which among the galaxies Earth is present? Our biosphere, our Earth is present in Milky Way galaxy. And here in this Milky Way galaxies, the beginning of the Big Bang explosion, temperature ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. What are the conditions at early stages of earth formation? What are the condition? And we know that early stages ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. So that very high temperature, after some time the gases like helium and hydrogen and helium, ಈ ಥರ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ಗಳು ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್, ನೋ atmosphere, and water in vapor state. Important. At the beginning stage, the water was in its vapor state. Because of high temperature, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ವೇಪರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. This is the very beginning stages of the earth. And later hydrogen and helium, these gases are formed. Gradually the temperature at the later stages of the earth formation, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ temperature fall down. Later as a result ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹೆವಿ ರೈನ್. ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ರೈನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆವಿ. ದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಟೊರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರೈನ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. And at that time the temperature was high. Lightning, it must be high. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಳೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಗುಡುಗು ಮಿಂಚು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಜಡಿ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆವಿ ಟಾರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ರೈನ್. ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ UV ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ UV ರೇಡಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಫೇವರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಇಂಟು 2 parts. ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಾಟರ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ combines with carbon molecule, results in carbon dioxide and results in the formation of water. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುವಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ಗಳ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೀಥೇನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And the core of the earth, it is made up of iron and nickel. They forms the core of earth. These are all the conditions which are formed during at the origin of earth. ನಮ್ಮ earth, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಯೋಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಈ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. And almost 4 billion years after the formation of earth, origin and evolution of life. Origin and evolution of life took place after 4 billion years, or you can say it as 500 million years ago. Just ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು 500 ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರೀಸ್ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ.